Is great value canned roast beef worth eating? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to Touring Trails. I'm your host, Jim. So, 3 months of rain in one day. That caused a lot of work for Jim today. I had to do a lot of work this afternoon, and that's why I'm full of sweat and got the red face. But I'm getting a little hungry, and Miss Dee Dee's not here, so we're gonna cook up something good. Roast beef and beef broth. Have you ate this? Me either. We're gonna try this out. So first thing, I'm not gonna waste the broth in here because I can hear a lot of juice. We're gonna open this up. I'm gonna pour the broth in my cup, and we're gonna boil that up with some water. So let's get this thing open. Easy pull tab, that's nice. All right. Whoa, hold on. Okay. I'm just making sure someone's not playing a practical joke on me and that this didn't say Fancy Feast or something inside. Oddly familiar smell, but okay. Let's pour the juice out. All right. What does that leave us? You don't want to look at the broth. It doesn't look tasty. Now I can pull this lid off, and I hope I don't have any cats running around here. They'll attack me. All right, let's get this boiled up. I'm wanting to get, maybe 2 cups. So let me add a little bit of plain water to it. Think that'll work. And today we're going to use my favorite little propane stove. No rocket today. Propane's a little cheaper to buy, so I don't like to waste the other gas. Alright, so while that is boiling up, or attempting to, we're gonna not get burned. So let's move this dude over. Just like that. You notice how it seems like everybody just wastes everything these days? It's a throwaway society. Found this just laying in the middle of, just abandoned, thrown out. So I brought it home, cleaned it up. I'm gonna use it. Why not? Alright. What I got me is a package of potatoes. We're gonna church up this roast beef. So get this thing opened up. I'm gonna pour that in there. Roasted garlic, for the obvious reasons. Set that over there. Drop in the Fancy Feast. Get every little bit of that. Yummy, yummy. All right, so let's get this boiled up. So our broth has come to a sufficient boil. Just killed the gas. Only took about 2 minutes. I'm gonna dump all this in here. Set that out of the way. So both packaged potatoes and the canned roast beef are able to have long shelf lives. A couple of years on the roast beef. You get at least a year out of those potatoes, probably more. So, talking about your long-term preps, this is a great idea. And this cooks quick. So, the time it takes to open up a can, a couple of minutes to get water to boil, and then just mix this stuff together. One thing I wish I would have brought out here would have been black pepper. Love black pepper. But also using a gas stove like this, so So your power's out and you want a hot meal. There you go. Take a look. Doesn't look bad. But of course, looks aren't everything. How does it taste? Let's find out. Nothing like fighting mosquitoes and ants for a good meal. So I brought a piece of bread. This is what's gonna set this off. It's made a lot of food, so if you're just eating the roast beef, you're gonna struggle to get one serving out of it. But you add it to potatoes, you can feed a family of 4 easily. So I'm gonna dab these potatoes on here. Make sure I get plenty of that roast beef in it, especially since it's just me eating today. Really is a lot more food than I needed for myself. But I have all of y'all here to eat with me, so it's not going to waste. Alright, got my spoon fork. I really need the fork side now, so I'm going to eat this and swap it over. But no wobble pops today. Out here working in this heat, so nothing but high quality H2O. Well, I don't feel like cleaning it, so we're just going to dig in just like this. Let's check this out. Here's the healthy living, or something. Get a good chunk of that roast beef, just so I can see exactly what it tastes like. Tastes like roast beef. It honestly does. So I'll catch you in a few. I'm going to chow down. Well, as my good friend Jesse used to say, boy, that's some good eating. So, for less than $5, this could feed a family of 4. Shelf stable for 2 years. Pull some greens out of the backyard and you've got a complete meal. So there you go. I tried it for you. I give it a thumbs up. Mighty tasty. So something else to consider stocking up in your pantry. With that, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you down the road.